What's the meaning of breastfeed? Breastfeed. Breastfeed.
Breastfeed. Breastfeed. Breastfeeding is the act of feeding an infant or young child with milk directly from a mother's breast. This process has numerous benefits for both the infant and the mother. Breast milk contains all the nutrients and vitamins necessary for healthy growth and development, as well as antibodies that help protect babies from infections and illnesses. Breastfeeding also promotes bonding between mother and child, regulates the baby's appetite, and can even reduce the risk of certain health problems later in life. Additionally, breastfeeding may have a positive impact on the mother's health, reducing her risk of breast and ovarian cancer, and providing natural contraception.